Hey guys, what's going on? Another day here. I want to start off with congratulations to the Raptors to making the finals, making history. You know, that's huge for them. I guess we'll see how they do against the reigning champs. That is going to be a tough game, obviously, but nevertheless, congrats. Just wanted to start off the video. You know, I always do, a lot of my videos are in the cars because my commute's about an hour and a bit, so why not, right? Talk to you guys. And yeah, so one of the things I wanted to discuss was just to talk about was had a chance to drive my buddy's STi. Amazing. Like I decided to go to his place a couple weekends ago. It was a long weekend, so we thought, why not? Let's take the cars out. We swapped cars. I will have his link up in the comments, and you will see it up on the video, probably right about there somewhere. It's 30 over 30. He's got beautiful Subaru WRX STi, and a car that we spoke about getting since we were younger. So I know the way he does his cars and the way he's been doing this car, everything's going to be clean. So I'm very excited to see what's going on with that car. Very excited to see the future of it. But yeah, like I test drove that car. Well, not test drove, but we took it out for drives. We did a couple flyby rounds. We videotaped it just so we can hear the sound of our own cars from the outside. Not as a driver, but as a spectator. I gotta say, his car, when I drove it, holy shit. One thing that you notice is, you know, it's turbo, so when you got before it spools, yeah, it's a little sluggish, but after that, holy, it had me in the back of the seat. I was wearing flip-flops. I had to change shoes just to give it enough respect, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, took some videos. I love the way my car sounds. So a couple things I did. I'm sure, I don't know if you guys saw the videos I did, but take a look. I did a muffler delete and a resonator delete. The resonator delete, game changer. Changed the way the car sounds. Just amazing. I got a few things coming up that I want to do to the car. One of the ones will be an intake, obviously. I think I want to put on some headers as well, just to give it that little extra, but stay tuned for those things. But yeah, we took the cars out, sounded, love the way it sounds. So, but you'll see the videos, take a look, and hey, feel free to comment and check his page out, because keep up with his. I know he's got something cooking. I can't wait to see it. So, and I think it's going to be a game changer for his car. It's going to make the car look totally different, which I'm very, very excited to see. But take a look at his page. Take a look at our page. If you like what you see, subscribe. And yeah, more stuff to come. Enjoy this video, though. Okay? Thanks, guys.